regressions, fits with overdetermined systems. Now the microphone should also work. Let me check again. Yes, should work, right? Good. We can move into the topic of interpolation. So interpolation is very useful when, for example, you have a region of interest in your data where data is missing. If data before and after this region is available, you can use simple interpolation techniques such as linear interpolation or quadratic interpolation or spline interpolation to sample that region. Now, right, so for interpolation, what do we want? We want to fix missing data points, so determine. Match sampling between different areas. For example, here it's two different areas. We have one curve 2, another curve 1, given as red and orange data points. It could be at x equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And so the ones would, or the odd numbers would be at the red data points, and the even numbers at the oranges. Now, when asked to take the difference between the two areas, what do you do? Take the difference between array 1 and array 2, just array 1 minus array 2? That will not work, because the x is not equal at both areas, right? So you need to find a common space. For example, you can sample curve 2 at the point of x, curve 1, and then take the difference. Right, find a curve that passes exactly through all data points. And what we require also is a continuous and smooth function. Well, that being said, continuous and smooth we normally get with higher order interpolation techniques. With linear interpolation at the connecting points, we might not have a smooth function. Well, to fit the step function, for example, or interpolate, it also would be difficult. Or at least at the step. So let's see. So consider the following problem. Given n plus 1 points of a function, we want to find the function of x which depends on n plus 1 parameters a1. So for every value that we know from the given points, we want to determine one parameter. So here's an example how this could look like. So we have x0 given until x5, so these 6 points, and the corresponding function values. We want to find the interpolant or the interpolation function that these points and their connections. This function shall be determined through x, the variable, and a0 to. So what can we do? For interpolations, again, we choose some basic functions, such as polynomials, trigonometric functions.